Here's how to enter multiple state W-2 lines in TurboTax. With TurboTax already open, start by opening your current tax return. Once you are inside the return, look to the left-hand menu and select Federal. From there, click Income, then choose Wages and Income Summary so you are in the section where TurboTax stores your W-2 details and other income entries. On the Your Income and Expenses page, scroll down until you find Wages and Salaries, Form W-2. Click Revisit to open that area. TurboTax will take you to the W-2 summary page, where you can see any W-2 forms already entered. Find a W-2 that needs multiple state lines and click Review. If the form has not been entered yet, choose Add another W-2 instead and continue from there. On the review screen for the form, fill in any missing employer details using boxes B, C, and D from your W-2. Enter the employer identification and address information exactly as it appears on the form, then move to employee information and enter or confirm the entries from boxes A, E, and F. That includes your identifying and address details shown on the W-2. When those fields are complete, click Continue. Continue through the W-2 entry screens and enter the wage and tax amounts exactly as they appear on your form. It is worth pausing here to match each box carefully because the state section later depends on the rest of the W-2 being entered correctly. When you reach the state and local information area, enter the first state line from boxes 15, 16, and 17. This includes the state abbreviation, the employer's state ID number, the state wages, and the state income tax withheld. Use the values from the first printed state line on the W-2. After the first line is entered, choose the option to add another state. Then enter the next line from boxes 15 through 17. Repeat that same action for every additional state line listed on the W-2. If the same state appears more than once, enter each printed line as its own entry so the form matches what is shown on the document. Next, enter any local information that appears in boxes 18, 19, and 20. Add the local wages, local income tax, and local jurisdiction details where shown, then continue through the rest of the W-2 screens until you reach the completed review. Before leaving the form, review the full W-2 and confirm that each state line matches the information printed on the paper or digital copy of your W-2, including the state ID numbers, wage amounts, and state tax withheld. This is the point where you can catch a missing line or a number typed into the wrong state entry. Thanks for watching. Your W-2 now includes all listed state lines in TurboTax.